What's up, y'all? I just pulled a fresh batch of cornbread out of the oven and I gave my kids some. So I have a couple of slices that are ready to be served, and I just wanted to show y'all what kind of cornmeal mix I use. This is it right here. This is the sunflower self-rising yellow cornmeal mix, a Southern tradition since 1874. So yes, indeed, y'all, this is what I've been using ever since they stopped carrying my other brand cornmeal mix that I like, which is Morrison's. Haven't seen it in years. Yeah, so I've been using this, and this is good too. So I'm just hoping that I can still get this at all times. How much was this? This was $5.99. $5.99. This is really expensive, y'all, compared to what it was a couple of years ago. I used to get this for about $2.50. Now it's about $6. And then when it went up on a high end of $3, I wasn't tripping. But then now it's just like, either you gonna get it or you not at this point, or you ain't gonna have nothing to do your cornbread with. Now this is self-rising. I don't put no baking powder, baking soda, or nothing, because it's already in this. This is why everything turns out so lovely, because it has everything in it. Sunflower brand, enriched, degerminated. I'm sure that means something that I don't even want to know about. So yeah, but this is how you get the wonderful, delicious looking cornbread like mine. And I have a recipe on my channel. Check it out. Okay, this is a close-up of my cornbread, the bottom. Now I cook this in a cast iron skillet, which I don't do unless I want to make a lot of cornbread. Otherwise, I use my little skillet. But I'm gonna take some of this cornbread to my grandmother, and that's why I made all this cornbread, because I'm not gonna eat all this cornbread. I really don't even eat cornbread like that unless I'm eating rutabaga or pinto beans. Yeah. So yeah, that's it for this video, y'all. That's the brand that I use. If you have any other good self-rising cornmeal mix brands, leave it in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.